Ready for an unforgettable teaching adventure in Sweden's captivating scenery? Hello and a warm welcome everyone. I'm Sareh from Visa Library and I'm here to guide you as we explore how to immigrate and work as a teacher in Sweden. Before we get started, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Watch the video to the end because we have a special treat for you, a downloadable cheat sheet to assist you on this journey. So let's dive in and make your Swedish dreams come true. Number 1, requirements for immigrating to Sweden as a teacher. Get a Swedish teaching certificate or ensure your foreign teaching degree aligns with your level. Speak Swedish like a pro, unless you are a native of a specific languages. Prove your subject expertise, snag a work permit with a Swedish job offer, and make sure your foreign educational degree gets a nod from Swedish officials. Number 2, visa types for teachers immigrating to Sweden. You'll need a work visa and permit if you are not from the EU. Find a job first, as only a Swedish employer can get the permit. Once that's done, you can apply for your work visa. Some non-EU folks can visit without a visa but can't work. If you're studying, you can get a student visa in Sweden. As you can see, there's more than one way to make your teaching dreams come true in Sweden. Number 3, how to immigrate to Sweden as a teacher. We've simplified the process into 4 easy steps to get you there. Step 1, check if you qualify. First, see if you meet the requirements such as education and language proficiency. Use the free online tool from the Swedish Council for Higher Education, UHR, to find out. Step 2, if you qualify, apply to UHR for a teaching certificate. Gather your documents, including your educational qualifications and supporting materials, and complete the easy online application. Don't worry, the website provides clear instruction in multiple languages to assist you throughout the process. Step 3, get your teaching certificate. Once the UHR approves your degree, they'll grant you a teaching certificate. Depending on your specific situation, you may also need to complete additional requirements, such as a proficiency test in the Swedish language or particular training to ensure you are well prepared for your teaching journey in Sweden. Step 4, find a job and apply for a work permit. With your certificate, find a teaching job in Sweden. You don't need a work permit if you are from the EU. But if you are not, find an employer who's ready to hire you. Sign a contract and then apply for a work permit to ensure everything is set for your teaching adventure in Sweden. Number 4, is there a demand for teachers in Sweden? Yes. There is a significant demand for teachers in Sweden across subjects and grade levels, with a focus on quality education. Number 5, related occupations for immigrant teachers in Sweden. Here are several teaching positions in Sweden. Number 6, immigrant teacher salary in Sweden. Your teacher salary in Sweden is influenced by several factors like your education, work experience, location, and the grade level you teach. According to various sources, the average monthly salary for teachers in Sweden ranges from 30,500 to 62,113 Swedish krona. So, what you earn depends on your unique teaching journey. Number 7, best cities to immigrate and work in Sweden as a teacher. If you're unsure about which Swedish city to settle in, here are some excellent options to consider. As we wrap up our guide on how to teach in Sweden, your Swedish adventure is closer than ever. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. And for more valuable tips, download our handy cheat sheet from the link in the description. Thank you for joining us on this exciting path to teaching in Sweden. Goodbye, stay curious, and let your teaching story begin.